Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix black screen error in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you want to fix this issue, then you will need to follow some steps. First, open the settings in your mobile and go to the app section. When you are on the app section, then in the search bar type Pokemon. When you are on the app info section, then you will see the 4 stop icon in the right corner of the screen. So simply click on 4 stop and click on OK. Then you will need to find the storage and go to storage. Here in the storage you will see two options. First click on clear cache and after click on clear data. When you click on clear data, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This will shows that all of this application data will be deleted permanently. This include all file settings, account databases, etc. If you are satisfied with this, then simply click on OK. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.